How we doing, YouTubers? So today I'm just going to show you this. It's a snow foam lance. It says Stone Banks on it. Made in China. And I bought this basically to use with my Spear and Jackson pressure washer. I've seen like these connectors for it where you can connect the Karcher lance with it, but with this though it's supposed to just go on directly without any messing about. And then when I'm washing my car, just like the foam on it, the foam usually picks all the dirt out, and I just like it, just like the foam. So this I picked it for £19. I've not used it yet. I'm just gonna see what's inside it, what's inside the packaging. So it's got this with it, I don't know what that is. I'll have to read the instructions on it. Then it's got the main bottle. So that's a 1 litre bottle. Then you've got this structure chart. You've got this with it. And then you've got the main thing. I'll be letting all the foam out. It's got that with it as well. So let's have a look at the chart. Seems pretty straightforward. Foam nozzle. Right. Okay. So I'm just going to get my pressure washer out and attach it to the gun and see how long it actually takes me to put it on. Hopefully it won't take that long, but I just want to see if it matches and it's a good fit. So then once I've done that, then I'll show you. Okay, so this metal bit here that was with it, that's obviously going to go on this. So that'll go on there. And then once you've put these two together, then it'll go on the gun itself. Like that. I don't really know what this bit's for. Don't know if anybody knows what it's for. Might be like some sort of sealing tape or something to stop the water from leaking out. Not 100% sure. But obviously this should have on top a plus and a minus. And that's I think it said here for more water, less foam, and then when you do the minus, then you get more spray foam out of it. So that's the shape of it. It's pretty heavy though. Right, so yeah, so this goes on there. Once that's on there, then it'll go in there. So I'm just gonna try put it together. So there you go, it all goes together. That's my Spear and Jackson pressure gun. And that's a foam bottle for it. And then obviously you got the adjuster on top. And this, I'm guessing, like I said, is for leaks. Just to probably tiny, if there's any water leaks, probably put it on. Don't know. So once I've used it, or when I'm using it, I'll make a quick little video just to show you how good it is. But yeah, so if you go to Peter & Jackson, because obviously they don't come with this snow foam, I searched everywhere on the net, and Amazon was the only one that had like a connector for it. But then I asked the question or so, and then managed to find this, which you don't need a connector. You can just buy this and it'll just fit straight on. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you.